friends, I am yes Josmercy Anita. I am here to explain about exercise number 3 in database called basic SQL. Here there are some questions to solve. First question is find out how many customers have done the bookings. Before we have to create the table having all the details and the data. So the first question is find out how many customers have done the bookings. First, select count star from car booking. Count star is used to count the customers who have done the bookings. Select count star from car booking. The next question is what is the average price of a luxury car? Using the aggregate function AVG, that is average, to find the average of the select average of basic price per day from table name is price details where car type is equal to luxury. Here the condition is car type is equal to luxury because we have to find out average price of the luxurious car. So we gave the condition car type is equal to luxury. The next question is what is the maximum date of booking for the car? For all the car bookings, what is the maximum date? They ask. First, select max booking date from car booking. Max is an aggregate function to find out the maximum date of booking for the car. The next question is find out number of bookings for each car, arrange them in ascending order. First we have to find out the number of bookings for each car. First we have to find out using the count aggregate function. Here we use the count aggregate function to find out the number of bookings. Then in the table car booking, group by car ID, order by first we have to find out the number of bookings, then we have to order in ascending order. So we give ordered by. The next question is find out the car which is booked for maximum number of days. Select car ID from car booking, group by car ID having count. Count is an aggregate function to find out the car which is booked for maximum number of days. Number of cars are booked, so we use aggregate function called count to count. Return date, booking date is equal to we also use a inner query subquery, that is called a subquery. In this query we have a subquery called another subquery. In this subquery we have to use two aggregate functions, max and count, to find out the maximum number of days, or find out the car which is booked for maximum number of days. Which car is booked maximum number of days? Display the customer name starting with R and capital R and small r. Select login name from customer details. Login name, we have to print the login name from the customer details. Customer details is a table where login name like or percentage and or percentage, that is the name which start from R, capital R as well as small r. No rows selected, there are no rows in the table or starting with R. Which booking date is done most recently? Car, which booking is done most recently? Select car ID from car booking where return date is equal to sys date. From the sys date, the return date is equal to sys date. Select car ID, which booking date is done most recently. Which date is done most recently we have to find. Then replace the register number which has X with T. Update car details, set register number is equal to replace TU, that is replace the registration number which has X with T, which has the letter X is replaced with T, where register number like U. The output 0 row select updated. The next question is display the symbol in front price. this symbol, dollar symbol. Select LPAD. LPAD is an aggregate function, like aggregate function. From that aggregate function we have to find that symbol. We have to find the price which is starting with this symbol, that is dollar symbol. So we use aggregate function like LPAD from the price details tables. The next question is find the car booked in leap year. Leap year, first we have select car ID, extract year from return date from car booking, where mod. Extract is also an aggregate function. Year from return date, comma 4, that is equal to 0, and mod extract year from return date, comma 100 greater than 0, and mod extract year from return date is equal to 400, 400. That means it prints car ID of the car which is booked on the leap year. The next question is find the top 3 booking of the car. Show, which is select row number as rank car ID from. Here also we use subquery. Select car ID from car booking, order by booking number desk, where row number is less than or equal to 3. Here print top 3 booking of the cars. Next question is calculate the age of the customer using DOB and find who is the oldest. Select login sysdate of birth divided by 365 as years from customer details. Here they find out their age by sysdate of birth divided by 365. Here the Abhi is 19 years old and Anand is 25 years old. So we have to calculate the age of the customer and find who is oldest. The next question is arrange the customer number in descending order. Display the first name together with second name as name. Here we concatenate first name and the last name using the concatenate function. For the first name and last name join together. Then here Abhinaya and Vane, the both are concatenated using the concatenate function. Find out the average booking of each car and which are the booked more than average. Select average booking number from car booking. Select average booking number. Find the average booking of each car. So we have to average booking of each car. The next question is find the car which is offered with minimum price. So select minimum is also an aggregate function. From using that function we have to find minimum price of the car which is offered in minimum price. That's all.